Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. Well, in my last video I showed you a different type of bookbinding which I use with my needle book. I call it a flip-flap binding. So it doesn't require any sewing, just cutting. And a lot of people ask me if I could just go through it again with some paper. So that's what I'm going to do today. So sometimes it's called slot and tab binding. I call it flip-flap. But anyway, it's very, very simple. I'm just going to show you how to do it on these two pieces of paper. Here I've made a booklet up using it, and you can see it's very firm and doesn't move about, so it's ideal for making notebooks, journals, and I've also used it with my fabric notebooks. And if you watch the last video you'll see that I used it with my needle book. Like so. So let's just show you how you quickly make one of these. First of all, you want to cut up the paper that you're going to use into mostly the same size. You could have a bit smaller, I suppose. That would take some juggling, but I use exactly the same size. And then you measure the width that you want from about halfway on the fold of the page to about an inch either side. I'm making a very small booklet here, but you can use it with large books. So you fold your paper in half, and then I'm going to write in. So this paper is about 4 inches along that line. So 2 inches would be the middle, and I'll go just about an inch either side. And then you put those measurements on the other paper, but you don't need the middle measurement. Okay. So with this piece, I'm going to cut down to the first measurement. So we've got like a tear either side of it. And with the second piece, I'm going to make a little snip so I can put my scissors in. Now you could, if you're using very thin paper, put some tape over here and then cut through, and that'll just, you can put tape either side and then that'll give that a bit more strength. But I'm just doing it for demo purposes. And then to put the two together, you just fold this one in half and push it through the slit. Hope you can see this all right. Takes a little bit of manoeuvring. So you couldn't really have anything stuck on the page. You have to start with a clear page. And then you have to manoeuvre them into place. It's harder for me at the moment because I'm at arm's length trying to show you on camera. And I would press those. So there we are, we have a lovely fixed binding. Very quickly done. And as you can see, you can do it with fabric or paper. And the nice thing about this is that you can slot more pieces through. So I could put another piece through there, which would come out this side, and you can just add to your booklet, which is what I've done with this one. I just kept adding to it and making a nice long signature. So those are the basics of the slot and tab book. I hope that makes it a little bit clearer for you, but you can always go back to the previous video and see what I've done with the fabric needle book. Now, I was taught this method when I was at college doing my fine art degree, and I've got a few other methods of bookbinding, so I'll come back and do another video on those. I thought I'd just add this short video to make that a little bit clearer. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care everyone. Happy crafting. Bye for now.